This is Suchitra ma'am from Edu Arena, and today I would like to say before you about the fun they had from class 9, okay? And this is for especially for class 9 CBSE, and it has been written by the author Isaac Asimov. So what he wants to depict in this, so we want to know about the theme. I would like to tell about the theme. So here the picture is such that it unfolds about the future schools. What would be the future schools like according to Isaac Asimov? Okay, so future schools will be like what do you call the digital sort of, like it will be through mobile, maybe the class tests will be taken through online, yes, through mobile, maybe through laptop, or maybe through the desktops, according to Isaac Asimov. So he was a prolific writer. He wrote in varied versions, like he used to write the scientific fictions, astronomy, biology, about religion also, about the literary, what do you call, biographies, okay? And these here he mainly wants to depict about the future schools, yes, where the students will go digitally. They'll be more advanced digitally, not they are not going to go to the real schools anymore. So there won't be any books will be meaningless for them, according to him. So they will go digitally, and they would love it. They would love their mechanical teacher instead of their real teachers like us. So they will be more adequate with them, the students. So students will be prone to the e-books. They are going to learn through the screen. Yes, the subjects which were very difficult for them, like the history, the geography. Yes, the history, so many dates are there and everything, no? So it becomes very difficult for the students to learn, to gulp it down everything at one time. So if it is digitally done, it will be much more easier. So such applications, wide applications will be there through the internet, right? So it will be very easy for the children to learn it, isn't it? So these sort of things he was saying, Isaac Asimov, that in the future, schools will be like that. There won't be any books for children. Books will be meaningless for them. They are never going to use books. They will go digitally, and as our Prime Minister, he is also like telling everyone to know about the computer and learn. If you don't know even, you are going to learn it. Yes, we have to go digitally. Digitally we have to advance ourselves. So everything is going digitally now, and we are also now doing the classes through online classes we are taking. Even the class tests, we have to take online classes, class tests. So we are doing through the mycbseguide.com, yes, through TestMoj, through Class Plus. So many apps are there nowadays. So we are using them. And now we are doing the virtual classes because why? Because of the pandemic, the coronavirus, that the deadly disease which is affecting each and every one of us. It has just shattered everything, right? Everything has come to a halt, So not to disturb the students' studies, so we are taking their classes online. Yes, through the mobile. Yes, they are also learning, and we are also learning through this process how to go digitally, how we can advance ourselves, how we can move ahead. We are learning from the students, From students we are learning, and the students are learning from us. They are getting the teachings. We are learning from them how to use it. Some of the technical things we don't know. So we are also learning. In one way, we are learning from the students. The other way, the students are getting the knowledge from us about the chapters or whatsoever, right? So this is like the bonding is there, no doubt about it, though we cannot go to each other like as we did earlier, 6 months back. So now we are doing it virtually. So this is also a great help for them, and like this is what is meant here. This is the theme of the story, okay, which has been written by Isaac Asimov. So I hope you have liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel Edu Arena, and thank you so much for listening. Please do comment. Okay.